Hi friends, welcome to a coastal edition of Meet Me at the 313 Grill and Kitchen. Today we're on a family vacation at the beach and we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to fry some shrimp. Now as you see here folks, we got some fresh Eastern North Carolina shrimp right from one of our fabulous markets here at Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina. So what we're going to do is I've already did all the deveining in there. You know, you can buy them if you want them already cleaned or not, but I did the wise choice and bought them that we need to clean them ourselves. Get your favorite kind of breader. For us and our family, we use House Autry Seafood. It's not spicy, but it's a good blend. So now we're going to do, our pan is boiling. We got our bag right here. So we're going to go ahead and start putting a couple of shrimps in here. We want to put a little bit of a handful. We don't want to do too much because we don't want to overboil the stove. That'll be enough to start us with. Give it a good shake. And when that's good, folks, we are going to start dropping in our shrimp. We want to shake all the excess off, and we're going to drop them in just like that. And you want to do them slowly at a time, and the way to frying shrimp is, folks, you want to make sure that they're golden brown when they're done. Undercooked shrimp might lead you a trip to the hospital, and especially you do not want that on your family vacation. As you see, folks, try to get as much access off as you can.
Handful.
Get to number 3. Stir, up to the right, stir.
Hi folks, I have to get in here because we're also cooking butter beans for the ones that don't like shrimp. So they'll have butter beans and whatever's left over on the table. But they're boiling too high, and Patrick can't do that with his cooking of his shrimp and all his other stuff. So we want to make sure nobody gets burnt food.
That's right, you don't want any burning trips to the hospital.
Put some in there.
I'm going to get some more.
Bye folks. See ya.
And now what we're going to do, we're going to get another handful, we're going to shake it up, and we're just going to keep on adding. Now folks, I don't know what you like to do for your seafood adventures, but around here we like to vary it up every year. So this year we're doing fried shrimp. Alright? Okay. Alright folks, we're going to let it cook in just a minute. We're going to come back and we're going to give you the final details. So thank you for watching. We'll be right back. Hi friends, welcome back. We got our first little set of shrimp done, so now what we're doing is we're going to make another handful while we have our lovely assistant in here, Hope, from the seafood country of the southeast, Charleston, South Carolina. He's in here assisting with this process, and this is what we have so far before we take the next batch out. And you want it to be nice and gold and brown just the way you want it to be. So, all right, folks, we'll be back in just a minute with another check on our shrimp. Stay tuned. All right, folks, here is our final result. Here's our shrimp, and we also did some asparagus and some tater tots. So let's see how the shrimp turned out. This is really, really good. So, folks, if you want the simple recipe, just hit me, and we'll get it. This has been another edition of Meet Me at 313 Grill. We'll see you next time.